Have you ever heard someone say something hurtful about another person just to damage their reputation? There's a word for that, malign. And today, we're breaking it down so you can understand it clearly and use it confidently. The word malign is pronounced malign. It is a verb, and it means to speak badly about someone, especially in a way that is false or unfair. When you malign someone, you are trying to harm their image, usually with your words. Think of a situation where someone spreads rumors even though they know they aren't true. That's a perfect example of maligning someone. Let's look at some simple synonyms for a malign. Slander, defame, disparage, badmouth, vilify. And here are some helpful antonyms, or opposite words. Praise, compliment, honor, support. Now, let's understand it better with a few example sentences. It's wrong to malign others when you don't know the full truth. The celebrity said she was tired of people maligning her online. He refused to malign his coworkers, even when he was upset. Notice how the word always relates to speaking in a negative or damaging way. Here's a simple memory tip. Think of the word mal, which means bad in languages like Spanish and French. Malign equals bad talk. The more you hear and use these words, the easier English becomes. And now you understand exactly what malign means, how to pronounce it, and how to use it correctly. Keep learning with Thesaurus Thrive, where every word helps you grow.